Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw merchant cash advances using OnDeck repayment workflows, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw merchant cash advances using OnDeck repayment workflows, first, log in to your OnDeck account. Ensure your account details are correct and up to date. Navigate to the repayment section of the dashboard. Here, you will find options related to your merchant cash advance. Select the specific cash advance you wish to withdraw from. Click on the Withdraw button associated with that advance. Review the terms and conditions presented on the screen. Confirm that you understand the fees and repayment structure. Proceed to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Double-check any minimum or maximum limits applicable. Review your withdrawal amount and any associated fees. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button to process your request. You should receive a confirmation message once your request is submitted. Monitor your email or account notifications for updates. Funds will typically be processed within the timeframe specified on the platform. Once approved, the cash advance will be deposited into your linked bank account. Be sure to track your repayment schedule within the OnDeck platform. Monitor your account regularly to ensure timely repayments. That concludes the process for withdrawing merchant cash advances using OnDeck repayment workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.